Hey, welcome back. Got this '06 NPR. Regular customer came in. I was out of town, and they had one of the cats hacked off of here, and they took it to another place. Anyway, check engine light illuminated afterwards. So we'll pull the codes and see what's going on here. I don't typically work on NPRs, but this is a regular customer that we take care of. Classical music. Quite fitting. But I don't even really have a scan tool for it. We'll do OBD direct and just pull codes out of this. Display trouble codes. All right, we got 4 codes here. A P0102 mass airflow circuit A low. A P0157 O2 sensor low voltage bank 2 sensor 2. P0160 O2 sensor circuit no activity detected bank 2 sensor 2. And a P0443 evap system purge control valve A circuit. So 3 of these are related to the power circuit, probably the reference voltage circuit on which are a shared power supply. But this is apparently the cat that was replaced. And yeah, no O2 sensor. We just have a connector with some chopped wires that were resting on the ground of the cat case. So that will fry your fuse and set a code for no O2 activity. Okay, I think this is an ignition, like the PCM fuse. Check this over in the glove box. Come on over to this side. I believe the fuses are in here. Burnt fuse, 20 amp. This is called the engine ignition fuse, but that's going to power those circuits off the ECM or PCM, whatever you want to call it. But that's fried. So yeah, I mean, it of course wouldn't have happened if someone wouldn't have hacked the cat off of here. So these catalytic converter thieves are you know, funding an entirely new sector of auto repair business, but it's just not a sector of business I really want to get. I just feel terrible. So I'm going to throw an O2 sensor in it, double check those circuits afterwards, make sure we're getting power, and then see if we can just verify that it's switching properly, and hopefully that's all there is to it. Well, at least it had a plug in it. Really some pretty good welding. Just surprised that they didn't bother putting an O2 sensor in it. It kind of belonged there. It's just a good idea. wonder if this thief didn't realize that there's two cats, or they just went for the easy money here. But there's another one right there. It's just frustrating. People don't need to deal with this, especially businesses trying to make it work right now. Frustrating. See if I can do this one-handed. I'll put the little keeper in there. Trust me. We'll get it secured up. Old school. Here's them codes. Here's them connectors. Okay. Let's clear them codes. Trouble codes. No codes. All right. I have limited data available on this OBD Direct, but we're in the closed loop. Airflow rate. Bank 2, sensor 2 voltage. We've got 0.5. So it moved just a little bit. Bank 2, sensor 1. It's not really switching like I'd like to see it. A little bit of a negative fuel trim. Short-term fuel trim on that bank too. But I think we're back online. It's amazing some of you have even a worse issue with cat theft. They even make those specific vehicle application cat protectors to prevent theft. It's just insane. But this one's all lined out, so we'll get her back on the road, and hopefully that won't happen again. Hopefully we'll never see that again. Appreciate you watching. We'll talk to you next time. See ya.